Very clear.
Okay, good. Okay, today the topic is only about money management and some patterns. I will show you some patterns. So the patterns will help you to trade. Okay, the market will give you some signs before going to break the level. Okay, this is a level. You can see this is also a level. Okay, from this level, this market. Okay, okay, this is a reversal point, and a reversal point, and another reversal point, but it didn't touch this level. It reversed directly to break this level. It tried 3 times to break the level but failed. But the market is reversed from this level to break this level. The market is not following the pattern here. It reversed directly from middle of the level. The level is here, far from the level. It reversed. It tried again. It reversed. It tried again very strongly. Okay. Finally, it broke the level here. It broke the level. This is a confirmation. This is a confirmation. We can place here a higher option, and the stop loss is here. If you want to trade on Forex, make this as a stop loss, and this is a entry point. Okay, until you see any strong reversal sign, don't sell. Okay, here you are seeing a reversal sign, double reversal sign, so you can take your profit at this area. At least you will get 10% or 20% of your total investment. Okay, with chart pattern also you can trade. The chart pattern also will help you to trade. After breakout, the market will go more up or more down. The market may break here, or the market may break here. But if you get any confirmation, you can go with long position in forex trading or buying options too. Okay, I will explain about some patterns. I already explained some candlestick types. Okay, here. Okay, engulfing pattern I already told you. Bearish engulfing too, and tweezer tops. Okay, this is a tweezer top, indication of reversal. If you see this type of pattern, the market may reverse at any time, and this is a confirmation, so it will go more down, and this is a confirmation, it will go more down, and this is a confirmation candle, so this is a confirmation for reversal. So you can place your trade if you see any confirmation candle. This is tweezer bottoms pattern here. This is also an indication of reversal, and this is a confirmation candle. You can place here a higher option with more than 3 minutes, more than 5 minutes is good in 1 minute candle chart pattern. If you get this type of tweezer bottoms pattern in market, take one good confirmation like this. This is a confirmation candle for this pattern. So you can place your trade with higher option more than 3 minutes or more than 5 minutes. So it will go more up from this level because of this confirmation. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Okay, here also morning star pattern. This is a morning star pattern. Okay, this is a morning star pattern. This is a evening star pattern. Okay, again you are seeing a bearish candle. Okay, most of the time in downtrend, the patterns doesn't work. This type of pattern doesn't work. But if you get a strong candle like this, So it may go more down, but you are seeing a weak candle. It means sellers are not interested, or few sellers are interested, they entered, so the market will continue. This is a confirmation candle. This type of weak candles are a confirmation candles. Or if you get here a weak bullish candle like this, that is also a confirmation. You can place your higher option more than 3 to 5 minutes. So it will give you winning trade. And here also evening star pattern. If you see a evening star pattern, this is a confirmation candle. You can go with sellers continuously. At least it will go down 3 to 5 minutes, it will go down. Okay, if you follow this strategy, you will get almost 90% win ratio. Sometimes you may lose, it's very common. No need to worry about losses. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this one, 3 white shoulders and 3 black cones. This is also a reversal indication. This is also a reversal indication. Continuously, if you get 3 bullish candles, so the market, it means the market wants to go up from this level. The market wants to go down from this level. It will go down at least 3 minutes from this level, or more than 3 minutes from this level. So you can open here a position for 3 minutes. If you want to trade, on Forex, always take 1 hour candle or 4 hours or 12 hours or 1 day candle, anything. And if you see this type of pattern, take one another confirmation like this, then open your position, make this as a stop loss, and until you get a reversal sign, don't sell your deal. Wait for the right confirmation. If you get any right confirmation from sellers, then take your profit. Okay, here also evening star pattern, 3 inside bar, this one. Okay, I will give you this screenshot also. Okay, this one. Okay, you can see this candle closed above this candle. Okay, this is a confirmation. So the main confirmation is this one, weak candle with rejection. So it will go up. If there is a strong candle again like this, it will continue. Okay, this is a confirmation. Even sometimes you will see here this type of confirmation. It will also work. And inside down, like the similar pattern here, this is a confirmation. Place here a lower option more than 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, here also I already told you the same patterns here, and here also the same patterns. Shooting star candle. Okay, this is a shooting star candle. In uptrend, if you find any shooting star candle, always think the market is ready to reverse. The market will reverse anytime. This is a confirmation candle. Okay, this is a confirmation candle for reversal, right reversal. You can place here a lower option with 3 to 5 minute expiry time. And here also I already told you evening star. Evening star is similar to morning star pattern. This is a confirmation candle. You can place here a lower option more than 3 minutes or more than 5 minutes. Okay, inside for hangman candle. Similarly, the hangman candle also a reversal sign. If you see a hangman candle in uptrend, if you find another bearish candle like this is a confirmation candle. It will go more down. These type of patterns will help you in Forex mainly in Forex. If you trade with this type of confirmation, you will get some good profit. You can try this on demo account also. We have a demo account to try any strategy. Don't try any strategy on real account, first try it on demo account. If you get some good results, then you can trade. Then you can trade on real account. Okay, this is a hammer candlestick. This is a confirmation. You can open your position here, and this is a stop loss. Make this as a stop loss. Open your position here until you get a right confirmation. Don't sell your deal. And this is also reversal sign. This is a confirmation, bullish confirmation. You need one another confirmation to place your trade in forex. Here also in forex you need another confirmation to trade. You can't place your trade blindly with this reversal confirmation. You need another confirmation from buyers to place your trade. And here also you need another confirmation from sellers to place here a lower option. To open your position longly, you need another confirmation. Here also, you can't place your trade with the help of this pattern. You need another confirmation everywhere. Okay, here hammer candlestick, reversal sign in downtrend. I already told you this is a reversal sign in downtrend, and this is a continuation pattern too. But it will reverse at the sell at the SNR level. It will continue at the middle of the trend. And similarly, if you find any reversal sign at the SNR level, you need another confirmation. Even if you find this candle in the middle of the trend, again if you get a bullish candle like this, then open here position for long, at least 3 to 5 minutes in binary. In forex, if this is a 1 hour candle, at least open your position 3 to 5 hours. It will work. It will give you some good profit. And hangman candle, shooting star, this is a confirmation candle, and this is a confirmation candle. These all are reversal signs. All candles are reversal signs. There is no difference. This is simple logic. These 9 candles are a reversal signs and will continue the market too. If you want to know the reversal sign with these candles, you need another confirmation. You need another confirmation to place your trade here. If you get a confirmation candle, you can open your position longly. Make this as a stop loss. This is a stop loss this week. Just above this week, a stop loss. Okay, here. Just above this week, a stop loss. Just above this week, a stop loss. And open your position here. Even the market may reverse and will reverse. It couldn't break the level. Most of the time, if you see any reversal sign, if you see any confirmation, it can't break this level. It may reverse easily below this level. It will reverse. It may go up, but it will reverse again, will come down. So you need to make this as a stop loss at this area above this week. The market shouldn't go more than this level. So you should make this as a stop loss above this level, and until you get a good confirmation, a strong confirmation from sellers, then you can take your profit. Okay, here also this all patterns, Morningstar pattern, abandoned baby, 3 soldiers. Okay, this all patterns similarly, it will all help you to trade on forex as well as in binary also. Okay, this is a pattern we already know. We know some patterns, double top pattern. Double top pattern. We already know this double top pattern. Similarly, if the market breaks the neckline, it will go more down. In head and shoulder pattern also. Okay, this is a neckline. The market will reverse on it. Okay, the market will reverse from this level. Okay, the market will reverse from this level. If the market come to this level, you can open, wait, if the market come to this level, from this level, so you can open your position here, long position at least to this level. It will reverse. And here also, if the market break this level, again it tried 2 times. If the market break this level, okay, if the market break this level, it will go more down. You can take here you can open your position here and take profit if you get any strong signal, or at the next level, if you get any strong signal, you can take your profit immediately. And these all are patterns, triangle patterns. In the market, you can find this type of triangle patterns so many times. Okay, if the market breaks the level, this is a, at this area you can buy, at this area you can sell. Okay, this is a entry point. If you see a breakout at this level, you can enter here, take a long position at least 3 to 5 hours, then take your profit. This is stop loss. Here you can make a stop loss. Here a stop loss. This is a entry position. This is stop loss. This is entry position. This is entry position. This is stop loss. Okay, this is stop loss. This is stop loss. This is entry position. At the breakout point, if you see any breakout in the market, you can enter here. Okay, I will show you here some patterns. Okay, if the market break the level like this type of strong candle, like this type of strong candles, you can open your position here. This is a stop loss. You can open your position here. This is a stop loss. Okay, here also this is stop loss. This is opening position because the market break the neckline. Okay, here also this level, the market broke this level. You can also enter here at the neckline point. Okay, here also this is a breakout. This is a stop loss. No need to make this as a stop loss. Okay, this is enough. Make this as a stop loss. Or enter here. Enter here at least 3 to 5 minutes in binary, or 3 to 5 hours, or 3 to 5 days in forex. Okay, this is entry point, stop loss. This is entry point, stop loss. Here also stop loss, entry point. If you see any breakouts in the market, if you see the breakouts in these patterns, then you can place your trade, but not everywhere. Okay, you can, in the most of the time in the market, you can see 70% fake breakouts. But at this type of patterns, if you enter at the breakouts, it will give you some good profit at these breakouts. Okay, this is triple top pattern. Okay, triple top pattern. This is a breakout. If you see any breakout here, you can sell here. At least 3 to 5 minutes, it will go down. And here also, it will go up if you enter here. Okay, this is not the stop loss. You can make this as a stop loss. No, it will not go more than this one, I think. Okay, this one also a pattern. So in this type of patterns, if you see any breakouts, you can enter into the market. If you want to trade on forex, if you want to trade on binary too, you can enter into the market at the breakouts of these patterns. Okay, this one also, not only this one, this type of candles also. If you see any candles like this, you need another confirmation to enter. Yes, with this. Okay, always you need a confirmation candle to enter, to trade with reversal signs at the level. You need another confirmation. You need another confirmation to enter into the market. If you get another confirmation, you can go with sellers continuously, at least 3 to 5 minutes. In the engulfing pattern also. Okay, I think there is no engulfing pattern here. Okay, there is engulfing pattern here. Okay, in the engulfing pattern, at the level, if you see any engulfing pattern, you need another confirmation to place your trade. Okay, always trade with confirmation. If you want to trade more than 5 minutes or more than 3 minutes, always trade with this type of patterns. It will help you. It will give you some good winning ratio too. And I'm explaining these strategies, these patterns, because I don't recommend you to trade every minute, each and every minute. It's very hard to predict each and every minute. No one can predict each and every candlestick. Even me can't predict each and every candlestick. But if we have some knowledge, if you have some knowledge, we can predict at least 5 to 10 candles continuously. Not more than 10 candles. No one can predict more than 10 candles. It's very hard. Even IQ option owner can't predict more than 10 candles. So don't trade more than 10 candles continuously, more than 5 candles. I don't recommend. I will recommend only 5 minutes continuously. Okay, I will give you some money management tips. If you have $100 in your account, okay, if you have $100 in your account, always invest $2 or $3 per trade. Okay, always invest $2 to $3. It means 2 to 3% per trade. Always invest. Invest constant money. Don't invest random money like some trades for $2, some trades for $5 like this. Always use only a fixed amount like $100, $2 or $3. Sometimes you can use $5 too per trade. Only one fixed amount. Always trade, always target 10% to 15% daily target. Make this as a daily target only 10 to 15%. This is easy target. Everyone can earn, everyone can achieve this type of targets because 10% is very easy. With $10, you can easily earn $10. With $100, you can easily earn $10 per day. It's very easy. Now you have some knowledge. If you want to start real account, I am giving you this money management tips, not in demo account, and trade demo account as a real account. Not don't see the demo account as a demo account. Always trade on demo account like a real account, and on real account always use 2 to 3% per trade. Always target daily 10 to 15%. It is very easy target. Everyone can achieve. Always make easy targets. Always choose easy targets. You can easily achieve easy targets. If you invest $3 per trade to achieve 10%, you will, if you win 5 trades, you will achieve 10% easily. Only 5 trades, 5 winning trades. Okay, always trade only 10 trades per day, not more than 10 trades. If you have 75% winning ratio or 70% winning ratio, you will get this daily 10% easily with $3. Even if you lost 2 out of 10 trades or 3 out of 10 trades, you will get this $10 too. Okay, almost $10 you will get, even if you have 70% winning ratio with $3. With $3, I think you will get 2.5 something. So 70 means, okay, 14, 15, okay, 15 something. So if you lost 3 trades, Okay, if you lost 2 trades, I think, okay, $9. If you lost 3 trades, you will get $6. Still, you will be in profit. If you have 70% winning ratio, always choose more than 80% or 85% pairs, profit pairs, profit percentage more than the profit percentage per pair should be more than 85% or 80%. If the profit percent is more than 80%, then you will be in profit. You will get your daily target. Always trade 10 trades, and the shoot shot trades, not everywhere. Don't enter everywhere. Don't trade each and every candlestick. Always wait for the right confirmation at the right place and enter at the right time. Don't enter lately. If you have some doubts, if you are doubt on your trade, don't place your trade. If you are confident on your trade, even if you lose, place your trade. Okay, losses are very common. Don't worry about losses. Everyone can losses. Losses are very, very common in our life, in trading mainly. So always focus on wins. Always focus on wins first. Practice these all points on demo account first. Demo account. If you get more than 80% winning ratio, then trade on real account. Okay, if you want to achieve your daily target, you can use compound strategy too. If you have more than 80%, you can apply compound trades. You can easily achieve your daily target in 2 to 3 compounds. Okay, if you invest $3, within 2 compounds, I think you will get $10. So it's very easy. It's very easy to achieve your daily target within 3 trades or 2 trades with $3. It's better to place 2 trades more than placing 10 trades with constant amount. So, but you need a good experience. Always practice the compound or a fixed amount on demo account first. If you get 80% win ratio, then trade on real account. Before going to trade on real account, first consult me. I will give you some more tips. So if you lose in trading in real account, if you get 2 losses, then stop trading at least for 1 hour. Okay, and if you place your trade, first one is loss. For example, first one is loss, and second one is win, third one is win, and fourth one is loss. Then stop trading. Then stop trading at least for 1 hour. Then trade at least for 1 hour. Stop trading. Then trade on real account. Before going to place your trade on real account, before going to start real account in a day, first place your trades, 1 or 2 trades on demo account first. To get some confidence, first place 1 or 2 trades on demo account. If you get wins these 2 trades, then start real account. Even if you get 2 losses in real account, then stop trading. Stop trading and then start. Okay, if you achieve your daily target 10% or 15%, then stop trading until tomorrow and trade another day with fresh mind, with fresh target. The 10% or 15% is enough. Okay, if you target $10, you will get $300 per month. 300 is in Indian rupees, it's around 20,000 something. It's enough. Within 1 or 2 hours, even software can't make this type of amount. So it's a huge amount. It is looking like a small amount, but it is looking like a huge amount. Always target small amount. You can easily achieve if you target small. If you target 10% or 15%, you can easily achieve. Okay, this is the main class about today. Okay, if you have any questions, you can contact me anytime. I will help you. No need to hesitate to contact me. I will help you anytime. Okay, do you have any questions now about all classes? Is there anyone to ask me questions? Yes. If you have any questions, you can ask me now.
This is Teja.
Yes, Teja. Yes, Teja.
You said no for the breakouts for the triangle pattern.
Yes.
If the candle breaks, and for example, if it is an uptrend, the candle breaks triangle pattern. You said that you can take 3 to 5 minutes. I mean,
Okay.
for the yeah. So if it retrace and if it touch the level, if it touch the trend line, then how can we place 3 to 5 minutes? That's my question.
I didn't get you. Just wait.
Okay, sure.
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, if it breaks and it goes again to touch the level and to touch the line, right?
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how can we take trades for 3 to 5 minutes?
You can also place here at this level.
Should we wait for the retracement for the touch, or
No,
we can?
it will after breakout it will go at least 2 to 3 minutes and will reverse.
Okay, so after breakout we should we should take a trade, right? For
Yes.
2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
It will go more than 3 minutes, more than 5 minutes. Sometimes it will reverse. After 2 or 3 minutes it will reverse. To reach your your placing, I think, unmute. Okay, if you place here a call option with confirmation, to reach this place, it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes if it goes up, right?
Okay.
So you may win.
Okay.
Okay, it will help you in Forex mainly, this type of strategy. So this is your entry point, this is your stop loss point. If market reverse, you will lose your money. If you invest here $100, okay, you will lose here only $10. It's better to it's a good thing to lose $10 than to lose $100 in binary, right?
Yes, exactly. But I see a lot of triangle patterns and binary options.
If you
You
want to
trade,
trade on, yes.
yeah. So that's what I'm asking. I saw a lot of, I've seen a lot of triangle patterns here.
These type of triangle patterns are very common.
Yeah.
Mainly on OTC market.
Okay.
OTC market will follow every pattern. The OTC market, actually the real market doesn't follow sometimes, but OTC market will follow every candle, every pattern. Okay, it's very easy to trade on OTC market than real market because that is a computer generated market. So it will follow continuously. Same regular patterns you can find in OTC market. But if you have some knowledge on OTC market, you can easily trade on OTC market than real market.
Yeah. Okay. I'll see. If
Okay.
I have any doubt, I'll ask you.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, is there anyone? Yes, Samad. Yes. Okay, just a minute. I will show you. Okay, you can watch one video on my YouTube channel. I traded on 30-second candle on, I think I don't know the broker name. Iron, right? Yes, Iron Trader. Okay, I will show you. Just wait. Okay, you can trade on 5-second chart and 2-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 10-minute chart also. Okay, there is no different. Okay, 1 minute. But in 5-second chart we can't trade because market will sometimes not good on 5-minute chart. Okay, I will show you here. Yes, you can trade. Okay, this is 30-second chart actually. Okay, this is 30-second chart. I'm trading on 30-second chart too. It's same logic. Okay, it worked here. Okay, it will work because candlestick psychology will work on any chart pattern, any chart, any time frame. Wait, I will show you here. Okay, here this is actually 1-minute chart, right? 1-minute chart. Okay, double top formation, double top formation. Okay, in 10-minute chart. Okay, 1 minute, I will show you here something.
Screen కనబడలేదన్నా.
Okay, I will share you. Just wait. Okay, this is 1-minute chart, right? Okay, this is 1-minute chart, double top chart, double top chart pattern. Okay, this is a trend continuation candle, trend continuation. The next level is here. Okay, you can find the same point on 5-minute chart also, 10-minute chart also. Okay, you can see it worked as a trend continuation because previously we are seeing a strong candle, strong bullish entry, but weak bullish entry here. Okay, here also it worked as trend continuation candle. Okay, trend continuation candle. Here the level is here, the next level is here. Okay, this is 1 hour chart. Okay, I will show you the same logic on 1 hour chart also. Okay, this is a trend continuation candle. Okay, the next level is here. Okay, this is a trend continuation candle. This is also a trend continuation candle. Okay, the level is here. It worked as a trend continuation. Okay, the level is here. The next level is here. It worked as a trend continuation candle. Okay, the same logic. Not only in 5 minutes, you can find the same logic anywhere on 1 month chart also. Okay, this is a 1 month chart. You can see the level is here. I will show you. The level is here. The candle worked as a trend continuation. Got it, Ahmad? Okay, there is no difference. I think there is no difference. Any candle is same logic follow. The any time frame, any time interval candle
but
chart will follow.
for
the
30
same
seconds, we can only take trade for 1 minute, no?
What?
For 30-second candlestick, if we see any kind of confirmation, we can only take trade for 1 minute or 2 minutes or.
It's your wish. You can trade on 1 minute or 2 minutes or any time. Okay.
Yeah. For example, yeah.
This is 30 second.
Okay.
Trend
If you
continuation
use
candle.
for 1 minute, if
This
you place,
you can place here call option directly for 30
then the
seconds.
expiry, the expiry would be 1 minute.
If you want to trade on 1 minute candle, the expiry is 1 minute. If you want to trade on 30 second, the expiry is 30 second. But you can't trade on 30-second candle on IQ option.
Yeah, అదే. Okay.
ఎవరు మాట్లాడు? తేజ్ నేను చెప్తాను తర్వాత ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను నీకు. Okay. Because if you want to trade here after this candle, you don't know in the last second the market will change in 30 seconds. Okay, it is looking like it is going down, but at the end of the last second, if you want to place here a lower option, immediately it will go up. It will close like this sometime. So it may be late entry for you if you want to trade on 30 seconds. So it's better to trade on more than 5 seconds, more than 1 minute chart, 1 minute candle. Okay.
Using for forex.
I can't hear you. Can you speak loudly?
Yes, Dashram speaking. Which broker you are using for forex?
Forex.
Which broker you are using?
Can you speak loudly? I can't hear your voice clearly.
He is asking which broker are you using, bro?
Which broker?
Bro, which broker are you using for Forex?
Exactly.
Forex.
Yes.
Okay, you can also trade on use this IQ option. It is very good. I have traded so many times on IQ option in Forex. It's very good. And 1 minute, I will tell you one thing here. Okay. Okay, most of the Forex traders in the world use this broker, XM. Almost 85% of the traders will use this broker. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
I will recommend this broker if you want to trade on Forex. And IQ option also very good. Okay. They will give you your withdrawals on time, every time. I still till now I didn't get any problem from them. I will recommend IQ option. Then other brokers like I don't know, Hirex, or I don't know other broker's name actually. Okay, IQ option is best, I think. Okay.
Yes, bro. For binary, IQ option is best.
For binary, not only for binary, you can trade on Forex also.
Yes.
On IQ option. It's not a problem. There is no difference, I think. It's better to trade on Forex than binary.
For
Yes.
us in Europe, we don't have IQ available because of the ESMA ban. So, do you know any other good broker?
I didn't get you. In
What I'm
Europe,
saying is that in Europe, IQ option
banned, right?
is yes, for European traders because of ESMA.
Okay.
I'm asking, do you know any other good broker that is as good as IQ?
In Europe?
Yes.
Clement, this is Teja. I live in Europe. I live in Italy. And yeah, it's true.
Hey, Teja?
Yeah. నేను ఇటలీలో ఉంటానన్నా, నాకు కూడా అవ్వదు, బట్ నేను అది ఇండియన్ అకౌంట్ కదా, సో అది బైనరీ యూజ్ చేస్తాను, బట్ ఇక్కడ బైనరీ అవ్వదు కదా, సో అది
ఓకే ఓకే
అది ఇండియన్ అకౌంట్, సో అందుకే.
ఓకే ఓకే నాకు తెలియదు యాక్చువల్గా డేమ్ బ్రోకర్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు. ఐ డోంట్ నో యాక్చువల్లీ. ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ వన్ గుడ్ బ్రోకర్. ఐ విల్ లెట్ యూ నో సూన్. ఓకే Ronald?
Okay, that would be great.
Okay, I will let you know, don't worry. Then how are you trading? You are trading on Forex now?
No, I'm not trading on Forex. I'm trading with other broker like IRX, but the payout is 70%.
Okay, you can trade on IRX on binary options.
Yes. They only have Bollinger Band indicator and the payout is very low.
Yes.
70%. 70%.
Yes, 70%, sometimes 60%.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
Okay, you can apply same strategy on IRX also. It will work. Don't worry. Okay. always trade on short. Okay, my main suggestion is, if you see, always trade as a newbie, always trade on this type of market. If you see any strong bullish momentum,
Trend.
if you get any trend continuation candle, then place your trade. Okay, blindly. And even if you get any weak candle like this in the middle of the bullish momentum, then place here a higher option, like this type of red candle also. Place higher option. Always observe the market. If there is a level, okay, level means strong level, not a weak level like this. Okay, this type of weak levels doesn't stop in uptrend. If there is a strong level previously at this area, so it will reverse. Watch, analyze the market too before placing your trade in uptrend. Okay, always choose one strong bearish momentum or bullish momentum like this. If you get any trend continuation candle, then place your trade immediately. Okay, as a newbie, I will recommend this. You will get good winning ratio, almost 90% winning ratio. Okay, if you have any losses, if you lost any amount, any money in bind options or in anywhere, you will recover your money if you follow this strategy. Okay, always choose one strong bullish momentum or strong bearish momentum. And if you see this type of bullish momentum or bearish momentum, and if you get any trend continuation candle, then place your trade. Okay, the next level is here. Very strong.
So the trend continuation candle is like a mini spinning top, is it? Small spinning top.
Yes, anything. I already explained about 9 candles, trend continuation candles. Okay, if you observe the market here, okay, this is a level. Okay, this is a level, and this is also a level.
Yeah.
Okay, here sellers entered strongly. Sellers enter strongly, but the strong sellers are here. Okay, the sellers already changed their entry point. Now sellers are here, and sellers entered from this level very strongly. So this candle will work as trend continuation, because so at this area, 1 minute, at this area, actually there are some sellers, strong sellers.
Yes.
Right? But if you observe this candle, this is a bullish candle with strong rejection from buyers. Okay, instead of sellers, we are seeing a bullish candle and a rejection from buyers, buying pressure. Okay, these 2 points, bullish candle and buying pressure, these 2 points are quite opposite to this point. There are some strong sellers, but we are seeing a bullish candle, buying pressure, and the previous momentum is bullish momentum. It will break this level, and we are seeing the next level is here, and there is a gap, so it will continue the market. Okay, this is a trend continuation candle, because this is not a level. The main strong sellers area is here. You are seeing some rejections and a strong seller's entry from this level to this level. From this level to this level, you are seeing a very strong buyer's entry. Okay, the buyers are here, the sellers are here. Okay, in uptrend, this type of sellers will enter. It's very common. Sellers and buyers will enter, but from this level, sellers entered very strongly from here to here. This is a virginal sellers area. Okay. In downtrend and uptrend, always, if you see any trend continuation candle like this, always place your trade. Okay, bearish momentum, trend continuation candle, the next level is here, so it will continue at least. Okay, I will draw a level here. Okay, it will continue at least to this level. At least to this level it will continue, because we are seeing trend continuation candle and a bearish momentum and a selling pressure here. So at least it will form a spinning top like this, then will reverse. Okay, there are more chances to go down, because we are seeing a trend continuation candle far from the level, and in any trend, okay, the next level is here. This is spinning top continuation. Okay, from this level to this level. Okay, the level is here. It worked as a trend continuation. So always trade with continuation candles in strong bullish momentum and bearish momentum like this. So it will work. It will give you some good winning ratio, and you can easily recover your loss. Once you recover your loss, you will easily predict the next candle. You can easily trade with confidence. If you are in loss, you can't place your trade with confidence. Okay, first practice any strategy. First practice on demo account. I don't recommend to trade on real account directly. Any strategy, first trade on real account, demo account. If you get more than 80% win ratio, then trade on real account. Always invest low amount to control emotions. Always invest low amount. Always target low percentage like 10% or 20%. Okay. Okay. Is there any questions from your side? Anyone? Yes. Muhammad Shokri. Are you there? Muhammad Shokri.
Yes, I'm there.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, it's okay.
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 Okay. I will contact you after closing of the session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anyone? Okay. I think no. If you have any questions, contact me anytime. I will give you a reply. I will clarify your doubts. Don't hesitate to contact me. Contact me anytime. I will be available for you. Okay. Bye everyone. Good night everyone.
Bye and bye bye.
Keep waiting.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Good night, bro.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night everyone.
Finish the training, right?